newborn in the caravan. Well done. Well done to Lynn and no Charlie in Haskerton. Well done to A and C's neighbours in Trimley. They got it was all containers. The Elaine J Appreciation Society sausage and spuds were spot on, as were A without C again. Jackie Weaver Appreciation Society got it as well. And can you tell Susie we miss her this morning? Thank you very much. I don't know if that's everyone. I hope it is. I'm not sure. But well done to everybody that got it right. And thank you so much for joining in with the Sunday Connection quiz. Whew, thank you very much, Simon.
No problem. Well done, everybody.
They do well. That's the second time I sounded like Bruce Forsyth this morning. I said that out, so I will go into it now. But thank you so much. And will we see you again next Sunday?
Absolutely, yeah. We'll be back next Sunday for the Connection quiz. And can I just say well done to our ladies team on the golf club?
Yeah.
Played in a county event yesterday. They managed to get a win for Safety, so well done to them.
Congratulations.
We'll be back next week, of course. Yeah.
We'll be back next week, and also don't forget 9 Letters back with you on Friday afternoon from 2. Thank you so much, Simon, and huge thanks to your mum who writes the questions. On Cross in the Hole. They said they struggled with that because it wasn't the whole words. Yeah, they have their crafty moments, Ross, these J family. Anyway, we will see you next week, and thank you everyone for playing.
What if there was a song called Broken Shoulder?
Well, that's what it captures, eh?
Do.
Yeah.
Take me on your broken wings, shoulder. There's going to be a river on
He's
track.
freestyling.
So you made room for me this week.
I made room for you this
Oh, that's
week.
lovely.
Yes.
Really nice to be here.
Oh, I'm so pleased you're here.
You happy?
Yes, are you?
I think so.
How is that arm holding up? Excuse the expression.
It's slowly getting better, getting a little bit more movement, but I'm not meant to move that much. I've got a couple of exercises to do. So one of them is clip quickly, right? So I have to kind of push back on the desk, flat surface, nice, and do this as well, like kind of arm pumps.
Oh, lovely.
I can't like anything other than that.
Yeah. Oh, well.
So it's going well.
It's good.
2 weeks in. 2 weeks in.
You're healing nicely.
Yeah. Show coming up from 10 today. Do you remember taking? You look like that. Do you remember taking a musical instrument to school? Did you have to do that?
Recorder.
Well, that wasn't too difficult, was it?
No.
Did your family appreciate the recorder being played at home?
Don't know.
Did you bother?
No, I did. I wasn't very good at all, but I used to quite like taking the end off it and just going, you know, down it. I think a lot of people did that.
I think so. So I remember having to take a baritone to school, and I was rubbish at it. I never put much effort into it. It was just a waste of time. But I used to have to heave this thing in once a week to school. My son got a guitar this week. He's gonna have to take a guitar to school. So anyway, musical instruments from school. That's what I want to hear about. I've become a fan of the bus. Been using buses this week.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like that.
Wow, buses are
Did
brilliant.
you sit up the front, top deck?
First day, right at the top, at the front. Oh, it's fantastic. And
Never
it's
gets
danger
old.
as well, because as they're turning corners, you think he's not going to make it. And he made it.
It's really good.
Really good. Anyway, loads of stuff coming up. Challenge you to work out what's happened on this day in history. Going to find out about taking a photo. How can you take a decent photo? What can you do to improve your lot in life with taking photos? Because I know you like putting your finger in front of the lens. And
No, I don't. I'll have you know I take some wonderful photos. And just to prove it, at some point I will show you every single photo on my phone.
Oh, can we do that kind of over an evening?
It would take more than an evening, I think.
That'd be lovely. Loads more stuff coming up from 10 till.
Lovely.
Basically, it's me on the radio from 10 till 2.
We get it. We'll look forward to it. Thank you very much, Matt. Matt Marvel, just to clarify. Right, Georgie is looking after the roads. She's out there looking after the roads.
Actually looking on tarmac in the morning,
Yeah.
you know. No,
How are they?
makes it sound a bigger job than it is. They're absolutely fine. They've been quiet all morning. There's no problems to tell you about across the major routes. Across the county, A14, A140, A12, all look fine around Suffolk. Just a few roadworks here and there. Mostly in Ipswich. Westerfield Road, that's the B1077. Temperature